so I'm just gonna go ahead now, guys, and prepare the star fruit. First things first. And once we are done with that, we're going to now cut them into smaller pieces. So if you guys didn't know what a star fruit looks like, here you go, guys. If you didn't know, now you know. Star fruit. Remember, guys, be careful when you're using a sharp knife, because a sharp knife, if not carefully used, can cause a lot of damage. You may end up getting cut. Let's continue the process just like before with the apple. Cut it also into smaller portions. For this video, we're using 2 apples. So now that we have our apples sliced, guys, the next thing we're going to do now is go ahead and add our ginger to the mix. So we're going to go ahead and put a little piece of ginger so that the ginger will just lively up the taste of our star fruit and apple mix. So let me just go ahead and just put all of this together right now where the star fruit and the apples, so that we can make space for our ginger. So I'm just gonna go ahead and just slice up the piece of ginger, and I'm gonna add that ginger to the mix, guys. So we're gonna just slice up the ginger and add the ginger to the rest of the ingredients. So now, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and add our ingredients to the blender. Alright, so I'm just gonna go ahead and add our ingredients to the blender. So we have our apples and we have our star fruit and ginger. So we're gonna add that now to the blender. So yeah, guys, I'm just gonna now go ahead and add the rest of the star fruit and apple to the blending process, and then we can strain it and see what we get from this. Hey guys, I'm just gonna go ahead as well and add 3 limes to the mix as well to enhance the flavor. So there you have it, guys, limes freshly sliced. So I'm gonna now squeeze the juice into the mix. So guys, star fruit has a whole lot of health benefits. Some key health benefits of star fruit is that it helps to promote weight loss, it helps with immunity boosting, guys, it improves respiration, and it also improves your heart health. So it's a magical fruit, guys. I can tell you, drinking or eating star fruit is a very, very good thing. And can you imagine, guys, we are mixing it with the Etioti apple, which also is rich in health benefits. So put together, this drink is a powerful drink. Here you have it, guys, the star fruit and Etioti apple with a little bit of rum and lime and ginger. Yeah, man, wonderful summer drink. And trust me, guys, it's very refreshing. Very, very refreshing. So if you like this video, remember to like, subscribe, and comment on this video. And as we always say on this channel, Jay says, and we are out of here.